Before you install the Expert Advisor, we're going to prepare the MT4 platform. There is a few things to do. Click on Auto Trading. That's one thing. Then go to Tools, Option, Expert Advisor, and click those one. Allow automated trading stay. You will paste the Expert Advisor that will show here. For the moment, it shows not Orlinsky Expert Advisor, it shows other Expert Advisor. We're going to add it. File, Open Data Folder, go to MQL4. Here is the folder Expert. You see a bunch of Expert Advisor here that are installed by default. You can keep them. I like to erase them. I don't need them. Again, you can keep them if you want. Paste the file that you received. Close that window and restart your MT4. I restart the MT4 and you see this is our Expert Advisor. You're gonna have now to attach the Expert Advisor to the chart. Simply right click on the Expert Advisor, attach to chart. That's it. You see the little smiley. It's working fine. Next step is to, inside the Expert Advisor, paste your license key. See, it's written here, license key, not for this Expert Advisor. You receive the license key. It's going to look like this. Simply copy it. To access the properties of the Expert Advisor and paste the key, right-click anywhere on MT4, select Expert Advisor Properties. Inputs, that is where you want the license key to be. Paste the license key, click OK, and on the next tick, on the next price movement, you will see that the Expert Advisor is functional. That's it. That is the first indication that the Expert Advisor is functional. And this is a 4-hour bar chart. What it says here is that you should, on that bar chart, sell where the red target is and buy where the low target is. That's the high target reversal, low target reversal, which are in red for sell and in green to buy. In our next video, we will see in detail how the Expert Advisor works.